Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This twin-cylinder spark bike just arrived with only 6,025 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition. We got brand new tires on this bike, zero gravity, smoked windscreen, beautiful metallic gray paint scheme with the ghost image on the Ninja. This is a really cool looking bike. Perfect condition. Come on by and make your lightweight sporting twin dreams come true for just $54.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. ABS brakes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.